Okay, for our Samba basic choreography, this is our most important basic steps, which actually in our choreography. Number one is called whisk, like you drink whiskey, whisk, okay? Remember this, so it goes like this. You go side, back, cross, with the pelvis forward. Side, back, cross. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in Samba, the way you move, Phoebe, watch, we're moving, of course we have bounce, but we're moving more like using our feet. Do this exercise. Like we slightly have up and over feel, like we're pushing from the foot in order to get to the next step. So it's very much using your ankles a lot. Got it? So here you have push, change weight. Push, change weight. And as you push, you can do a little bit hip rotation like this. Change weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 counts of this step. The next one is called Samba walk. So very much using your feet all the time in Latin cross position with the foot turned out, preferably. Very good. So we're gonna go forward as we bounce, back, replace. Forward, back, replace. 1, 2, excellent. 3, 4. So this is called Samba walk. Samba walk. So we're Samba walking. We're walking and dancing Samba. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and all the time try your pelvis following direction of your knee, bending. So that's the Samba, belly button, wings all the time. Excellent. So movement number 3 out of this is called Botafogo. So you go 7, 8, looks like this, Botafogo. You have a cross, side step on the ball of the foot only, replace. And cross, side, replace as you bounce. Cross, side, replace. And cross, side, replace. And very much I want you, as you use, want you to use that like a wave, almost that feel like a wave, and using your ankle to help you to move from one foot to another. And replace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the last movement is that volta. So that movement when you cross and then you have a side step as you slide. So that side slap and then you cross. Side slap and then cross. The same on the other leg. You cross, you slide with absolutely no bounce. Stay as flat as you can. Side, cross, side. So for the volta, so we cross, then we have a very flat movement. So you go side, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross. No bounce, no up and down, because it's very fast. And cross. So focus on sliding your feet out like this. Side, cross, side, cross. So this will be the feel. If you do with your feet something like this, that's the feel how your feet move. Try to avoid up and over, like lifting your feet. Slide, cross, slide, cross, slide, cross. And of course you can add a little bit hip here. Yeah, so try volta together. Cross, now go slide, cross, no bounce. And cross, and cross, and cross, and cross. Other leg, and cross, side, cross. So try not to do too much hips at this point. Just flat a little bit hips, a little bit compression. Boom, chica, boom, chica, boom, chica, boom. Excellent.